Just finished chopping up some garlic, 6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea, where we do quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. Tonight we are doing a shrimp dish. I got a lot of shrimp on my hands. So tonight I'm doing a shrimp dish in like a creamy red sauce. That's what we're doing tonight. It's an exciting meal. I already got, like I always do, I already got a little bit of shrimp on the stove. All right, let me check my shrimp here, okay? Give me 1 second. I'm just gonna check my shrimp. Give it a little flip here, all right? And I don't wanna overcook the shrimp, because if I overcook the shrimp, that means that the guinea pig is not gonna be happy. And I'm gonna have a tough time getting 2 thumbs up on tough shrimp. And again, if this is your first time hopping on, guys, that's what this show is all about. I cook the meal, and then I give a little portion of the meal to my wife, Michelle, aka the guinea pig, and then she either gives me 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb down, or 2 thumbs down, based on how I did. 2 up like excellent, 1 up like good, 1 down like eh, 2 down like, you know what I mean? Now guys, I already cooked my rice. So I have my brown rice all fluffed up and ready to go. Okay, so here we go. Let's get to cooking. Like I said, I got 2 pounds of shrimp. Now for vegetables, I have some peppers. I have scallions, white and then the green, sort of separating those, okay? And a little bit of celery, all right? And some garlic. I got about, 5-6 cloves of garlic. So heavy on the garlic. I'm gonna use a full can of tomatoes. These are peeled plum tomatoes. I'm gonna use those. I got a little bit of water. I'm gonna sort of see how the water goes, just to see how thick it gets with the rice and all that stuff. And I got a little bit of ricotta cheese. I got this Cajun spice that I used like a couple of weeks ago, so I just like bagged whatever I had left over. Okay, guys, let's get to cooking. I'm gonna bring you over here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is my first batch of shrimp should be good to go. I don't want to overcook this because it's all going to get thrown in with the rice and everything. Oh, hey, babe.
Hi.
You want to say hi to everybody? She just got home. She's got a new hobby now.
Hi.
That's Michelle, my wife, the guinea pig. Now she's got a new hobby. I'm in trouble.
I found nursery gardens, so I just bought a weeping cherry tree that I'm going to plant in the front and a whole bunch of other things that I don't know the names of, but they looked really pretty.
You're going to start... You're vacuuming? So I'm adding all my my veggies and my garlic. She's vacuuming. Here, I think you hear you vacuuming. Tell him, babe, what is this?
Real life.
Real life. Okay, so doing a little seasoning with salt and pepper on these vegetables. All right, and we're just gonna get these nice and cooked up. I don't know, maybe 10 minutes or so. Okay, so what I'm gonna do while the vegetables are cooking, I'm gonna take the rest of my shrimp. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put this shrimp down. Okay, cook this shrimp up a little bit. All right, so now I'm just gonna season these shrimp with salt and pepper. Okay, are you done? Is this... I'm probably losing viewers.
No one's listening to you.
Nobody wants to hear this.
No one wants to hear you.
I can't win in this house. It's me, 3 girls, and 2 female dogs. I'm surrounded by not my own. I'm going to, shrimp looks like it's doing nice. Just gonna flip this. Nicey nice. Shrimp looks like it's cooking up nice. I'm gonna put a teaspoon. You know what? I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons. How's that? That sounds about right. And in the rice, actually, I have a little bit of seasoning in the rice. I dropped like a teaspoon in there too. So hopefully, between all the seasoning, I'll be good to go. Okay, these are cooked. Okay, so the shrimp is done. I'm just gonna put this aside now, and the vegetables are done. So I'm gonna add the tomatoes and gonna let that cook up a little bit. These tomatoes are actually like full tomatoes. Gonna have to crush these up a little bit. this. Yeah, I guess that's what I picked out. Peeled plum tomatoes. Oh, skinny Guinea. But now I'm gonna have to like sort of break them up. You know what? I'm gonna crush them with my hands. Let's get fun. Let's get interesting here. Ow, that's hot. That's hot. All right, so now I mix this all in. Cook this a little bit. I'm gonna bring this to a boil. A little salt. I'm good on the pepper. A little salt. Woo! I'm good on the pepper. I'm good. So it's boiling now. I'm gonna drop the heat. I'm gonna add my rice. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna add the whole cup. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. I'm gonna bring this to a boil again. Yummy! Alright, so I'm adding my shrimp back in. Already cooked. Okay, so I'm adding my shrimp. Let me show you guys. Show you guys what I'm working with. It's bubbling nice. Smells good. Yeah. Yeah, I think we got a shot. Yeah. The only thing she might say, okay, well, there's two things. First of all, let me see this. Okay, this could be a problem. Could have a problem here. No, I think we're all right. I was gonna say the rice might be hard, but I think it's okay. So what I'm gonna do here real quick, is I just want to be safe. I mean, it's definitely cooked, but I want to make sure. Yeah. Good to go. All right. We are. Oh.
Where are your vegetables?
No, not the vegetables. Don't worry about that. The cheese. All right, take a look. That was a complete and total game changer. Just got the pinkish hue. Now we're talking. All right, you ready? Now it's hot, guinea pig, so be careful, all right? Okay, guys, follow me. Okay, we are going for 2 thumbs up.
You put Batman shirt on?
Yes.
Peppers are a little hard. Usually they're softer. No, I didn't taste the shrimp yet though. Tomatoes look
I forgot the,
tomatoes look like they were hand crushed.
I crushed them with my own 2 hands.
Shrimp is tasty, not too hard. Not overcooked like normally.
How's the rice?
Rice is good consistency.
How's the spice?
It's not as spicy as I thought it would.
The ricotta probably dulled it a
Dulled
little
it down
bit.
a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe a little salt.
Do you have food on your eyelid?
No,
Oh,
but
no.
thanks for drawing attention to it. I'm gonna say 1.5. Like this? 1.5.
Yeah, it's good enough.
It's I need a little bit. There's no maybe salt. Maybe it needs a little salt or
Okay.
cheese or something.
Want cheese?
Yeah, maybe some Parmesan cheese. You don't have to wait for that. But
No, they don't have to wait for that. Okay, we can try with Parmesan cheese. So you're going with 1.5?
1.5. No,
Are you happy?
I'm gonna eat it.
Well, there you have it, folks. 1.5 thumbs up from the guinea pig. And look, I'm happy with that. I will take that. 1.5 is pretty good, right? I think it's a tasty dish. I think there's a little bit of, there's a little spice in there. There's a little bit, sounds like it's missing something. Maybe the salt. I thought I salted it pretty good, but maybe I was missing the salt. So, guys, that is it. Thank you for coming on. Tomorrow, like I mentioned earlier, tomorrow we're going unhealthy, okay? But we're still doing it quick. but we are going unhealthy. I'm doing cheeseburgers with sweet potato fries, so at least I'll do sweet potato fries. And that is it, guys. I will see you tomorrow night. Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. Finish it fast, even in the kitchen. We'll see you guys tomorrow night. Take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.